Vegan and vegetarian diets are both very healthy ways of eating. They have been linked to multiple health benefits and lower risk of excess weight, heart disease, and even some types of cancers. However, a few nutrients are either difficult or impossible to get in adequate amounts of plant foods. Therefore, it's very important to be aware and supplement your diet with them to maintain health or physical performance. Here are some nutrients commonly lacking in vegetarian and vegan diets. But before everything, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn those notifications on and like this video. Watch the video till the end because I can guarantee you that the last point will blow your mind off. Number 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that's almost exclusively found in animal-sourced foods such as fish, meat, dairy products, and eggs. Also known as cobalamin, it's a water-soluble nutrient involved in developing red blood cells and maintaining nerve and normal brain function. Studies have shown that without supplements or enriched foods, vegetarians are at a high risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. Lacto-ovo vegetarians can get adequate amounts of these nutrients from dairy products and eggs, but this is much more challenging for vegans. Vegans who don't take supplements are therefore at a higher risk of vitamin B12 deficiency than vegetarians. The symptoms and risks associated with B12 deficiency include weakness, fatigue, impaired brain function, neurological disorders, psychiatric disorders, neurological disorder in babies of breastfeeding mothers, megaloblastic anemia, possible link to Alzheimer's disease, possible link to heart diseases. To get sufficient amount of vitamin B12, those following a vegan diet must get vitamin B12 by taking supplements or eating food that has been fortified with this nutrient. This includes enriched yeast extract, soy products, breakfast cereals, bread, and meat substitutes. In addition, a few plants' food naturally contain trace amounts of bioactive vitamin B12, including nori seaweed, a type of marine algae, tempeh, a fermented soy product. Nori seaweed is considered the most suitable source of biologically available vitamin B12 for vegans, though it does not provide a sufficient amount on its own. Keep in mind that raw or freeze-dried nori may be better than conventionally dried types, as some of the vitamin B12 is destroyed during the dyeing process. However, those are not considered to be sufficient sources of dietary vitamin B12 and do not provide the daily need. Another plant food often claimed to contain vitamin B12 is spirulina. However, it offers only pseudo-vitamin B12, which is not biologically available for the season. It's unsuitable as a source of this vitamin. Number 2. Creatine. Creatine is a molecule found in animal foods. Most of it is stored in muscles, but significant amounts are also concentrated in the brain. It functions as an easily accessible energy reserve for the muscle cells, giving them greater strength and endurance. For this reason, it's one of the world's most popular supplements for muscle building. Studies show that creatine supplements can increase both muscle mass and strength. Creatine is not essentially in your diet, as it can be produced by your liver. However, studies have shown that vegetarians tend to have lower amounts of creatine in their muscles. One study placed people on a lacto-ovo vegetarian diet for 26 days and found that doing so caused a significant decrease in their muscle creatine levels. Because creatine is only natural found in animal tissue, vegetarians and vegans can only get it from supplements. For vegetarians, creatine supplements may have a significant benefit, including improvements in physical performance, improvement in brain function, such as memory. Some of these effects are stronger in people on a vegetarian diet than in meat eaters. For instance, vegetarians taking creatine supplements may experience significant improvements in brain function, while meat eaters see no difference. This may be attributed to meat eaters already having higher levels of creatine in their muscles as a result of their diet. Number 3. Carnosine. Carnosine is an antioxidant that's concentrated in the muscle and brains of humans and animals. It's very important for muscle functions, and high levels of carnosine in muscles are linked to reduced muscle fatigue and improved performance. Carnosine is only found in animal-based foods. However, it's considered non-essential as your body can form it from the amino acids histidine and beta-alanine. Dietary sources of beta-alanine may contribute significantly to muscle levels of carnosine, but the main dietary sources, meat, poultry, and fish, are non-vegetarian. Subsequently, studies have shown that vegetarians have less carnosine in their muscles than meat eaters. Supplementing with beta-alanine is a great way to increase the levels of carnosine in your muscles, improving endurance and increasing muscle mass.